Christmas light. Ang ganda. At lalakad kami dito. This is Hazel, Betcha by Kaliwaw again. How are you guys? Merry Christmas to all of you. Happy birthday, Jesus. Ayan. Si Elf on the shelf. American flag. Ganda. That one.
Are you watching? I'm walking outside. Look at this. This is the. Look at that.
There's a ginger man.
Tell.
It's like flag.
Tom, look, Tom. Look at the village. Tom, look.
This is the
Look at the train.
nice train. Ganda ng train. Every year. Napakaganda. Si reindeer nasa taas. Oh my God! Did you see Santa, Darem? Look at the Santa, so cute. Oh, so. There's a train.
Up there, huh?
Grabe. Ganda. Look at that. There's a train. There's such joy. And there's Santa on the rooftop. Ayan po. Napakaganda. Si Santa nakalambitin doon. There's a snowflakes. Sa kabila din, marami.
Oh my God, it's so pretty.
Tatawid tayo dyan. Okay. Ang ganda. Walang hindi may ilaw. Lahat may ilaw. Nutcracker, nagbabantay. Ah? I may award.
Award winner.
Oh, this is the holiday home lightning contest Hall of Fame showstopper award winner.
Hall of Fame.
Nice. 5 times, dalam no.
Paano naman nagawa ito?
Mahilig sa Pasko. Mahal sa kanya. Ayan.
You want me to take a picture of you?
Sana kami ni Jared no, bumaba siya. Ayan, ang ganda rin dito. Oh. There's Santa. Daming aso. Christmas dogs. And there's the tree. Someone is hanging in the tree. Merry Christmas. It says Merry Christmas. Ganda. Diba? It says believe.
Dog park, kaya pala puro dog.
Ay, may ibig palang sabihin yun.
Look at the mailbox. Open siya.
It says joy inside. Ayan. It says Merry Christmas po. Nandun po si reindeer tsaka si Santa sa taas. Ayan. Sa kabila, meron din. Ayan. Ang ganda din. Sa kabila. Ayan. May train siya. Okay, maraming salamat po sa pagpapanood. Merry Christmas po sa lahat and God bless us all. Bye! Ingat po kayong lahat. Merry Christmas. Happy birthday, Jesus.